Unlock the future of advertising by mastering ad-powered ad creation with Nano Banana. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through creating compelling ad-generated ads that grab attention and drive results. First, let's talk design. Think clean layouts, impactful imagery, and a clear call to action. Your AI should understand these core principles to generate visually appealing ads. Next up, precision targeting. Effective AI ads speak directly to your ideal audience. Define your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behaviors. The more specific you are, the better Nano Banana can tailor its suggestions. Now for the magic AI prompt optimization. This is where you guide the AI instead of vague requests. Be descriptive. Think about the feeling you want to evoke, the colors that represent your brand, and the specific benefits you want to highlight for your product or service. For example, instead of saying create an ad, try something like generate a vibrant, energetic ad for sustainable coffee, emphasizing community impact. User-friendly tone and warm, natural colors. Make sure the main benefit of supporting local farmers is clear. Nano Banana will then interpret your detailed prompt to concoct multiple ad variations. Review these, tweak as needed, and select the ones that resonate most with your campaign goals. By combining strong ad design principles, precise targeting, and expertly crafted AI prompts within Nano Banana, you're not just creating ads, you're crafting experiences that connect and convert. Start creating your next breakthrough AI ad today with Nano Banana. #AI ads, #digital marketing.